Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello everyone. Yes, I am here at my little jungle and the weather is so wonderful. It's just right. It's like I am in a tropical weather country. So I started to clear my mint and I am going to clean all of these mints. These are all mint and I have that spring onion there. It's still alive. It's been there. I mean, I planted that there since 2014 if I'm not mistaken, and every time it grow back again every spring. So I'm going to clear all those. I will remove all these debris like this one here. These are the old growth of my mint, and if you can see, there's a lot of new growth coming up here. Yes, I need to remove all of these, that way I have a fresh growth mint. So I have here, this is the spearmint if I'm not mistaken, and this is a peppermint. I always mistake which mint name was because I couldn't find the name tag anymore. But anyway, this is two different mints, and I have my sage here and still alive, if you can see. Yes, they always survive from the winter. And my sage, those little bushy thing there, those are my basil. It's called Thai basil, and I'm sure there's more of the seeds that are going to grow there, so I also need to remove those dead debris there. And this pot here, if you can see, it has a water, and yeah, that's my also a mint. It came from this pot. It traveled through there. I need to remove that there because I am going to use this pot, the green pot. I need to use that with my succulents. I am going to do a new project with my succulents, and yes, my succulents died. Most of it died. They are here. I don't have a space in the house, so that's why I leave them here, and they died, but I have some that are still alive. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pull them out there, and I will make another arrangement. I'm going to use all of them, but I have a new succulents that I just bought, and I am going to use it with a different project as well. But anyway, I am going to show you later after I clean all of this debris, and I'm going to show you how I maintain my mint. That way they always alive all year round. So I'm just gonna pause my video and clean all my pots, and I'll show you later the finished product of it. And also, of course, I'm gonna show you how I put soil, how I top soil in it. That way it has a fresh soil. So BRB. Alright, so they are clean now, and a little later I am going to put soil on it. I'm going to top soil. Well, if you can see, I did not remove some of the debris like the dry leaves and things like that. That's because it's all right. I have a lot of insects in there. I mean, what I call insects. I have I forgot again. Anyway, one of the thing that's gonna eat those are the earthworms. I have earthworms all over my pot, so that's why it's all right not to remove all of those debris there. So this is already clean, and you see that I clean all of those except for this one, because I am going to remove this table here. That way I can just walk through there and clean all of those. But this here, I am just going to top a soil on all of this. Well, some of those this pot here, it already has a plant in there, and also this one and this other one here. But that's my other mint. I forgot if that's the peppermint or the spearmint again. I also planted my daylilies there in that brown pot, and those three pots doesn't have anything, and even those little pot there, those are just pot with soil. The plants died, so I have to put more plant there soon anyway. And so I am going to put my tripod here, that way I can show you how I am going to put the soil. Alright, BRB again. I'm just going to prop my tripod right here where I am standing. Alright, it's missing So I need to make sure that I can finish this very soon. I am going to use my big shovel and my soil, my potting soil was sitting here right next to my tripod. So I am just going to show you how I do it actually. People has their own way on how to plant their plants, and so let's do it. So this here, I'm just gonna do like this, like so, and then I hope I don't mess with my microphone. My microphone has a wire, a cord, so that's how I do this. Those ones that are at the bottom, it's all right. They're going to get up. I mean, it's all right to be there because they're gonna crawl up. So that's how I do that, and I'm gonna do this like this with all of my mint, and then I will show you the update in a few weeks, maybe a month, like that, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, like that. They're gonna be so full of that. Okay, I need to remove this. This is what we use whenever we're cleaning the sides of my little jungle actually. I am going to put a soil here. Well, I did not trim this sage yet because it's not completely spring actually, even though they said it's now spring. But I think tomorrow night the weather is going to change back to cold or maybe cool weather, so that's why I'm not going to trim anything yet before. I will do that after. Maybe next month I'm gonna trim this, but right now I'm just gonna do topsoil. That way they start to grow now, Yeah, I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna make mess with my tripod, so I think I need to get me a wireless microphone. That's why I can talk without thinking of bumping anything and wrecking my tripod and my phone, because I am using phone. I always use my phone to shoot my videos. Yeah, I have a camera, but I think my phone is more handy to use than my camera, because after shooting video, I am going to just put a little editing, and then that's it. I'm going to upload the video. So I just do like that because whenever I water this, those soil is gonna drop down. So, but here, right here, I am going to use not my shovel, because if you can see, it has more big growth, so I have to do it this way. That's it. Yeah, it's kind of late for me to do this topping soil thing. Well, it's been kind of warm lately, that way they started to grow already, but it's all right. We're gonna do it because I want more mint this year again. I love mint tea, and also my granddaughter Paige, she loved enjoying mint with me, and she always, whenever she came over, she always asked, Grandma, how many mints I'm gonna get? We are going to make tea again. She loves mint tea, so that's why I always make sure that I have this tea on. All right, so I'm just like playing. But I have to put more soil in there at the middle. Here we go. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I didn't show you how I put soil in that big pot. This is just how I do it. If you see earlier, oh, you can see it there. There's a lot of new growth there, but I'm just gonna do it this way. Just gonna put like so, and then let it grow, just like that. So easy. It's so easy to maintain your mint. Oh, I have a tip to all of y'all that are planning to plant a mint at your backyard. You don't want to put it right without making a bed, because mint is so easy to grow and it's so invading. It will invade all your property. So what you want to do is make a bed just for your mint. That way the rhizomes will stay in your bed. It's not gonna go out your bed. I mean plant, I'm talking about plant bed, all right? So I am just going to do like these again, and then I will wait for them to come up, and boom, we are gonna have another mint. And also, if you wanted to fill it more with soil, as soon as the mint is, the plant's coming up like that, you can add more soil in it. It's all right. It's not gonna die actually, because the rhizomes is gonna find their way out. They're like bamboos, you know. Bamboos rhizome also find a way out, because every time they're gonna shoot another shoot, they're gonna find a way to go out. So that's why. Anyway, I am talking too much and my videos is getting too long. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching my video and for staying. I'm talking too much, yes, but I gotta anyway, I am going to fill all of those pots that has mint, and also my pot that has that one, and then that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.